Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you're watching. If you're new here, my name is Mpesa, and on this channel we talk about the different ways you can make money online in Kenya, in Africa, and the rest of the world. We talk about how to make passive income, and we also talk about work from home jobs and remote working. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 quick tips to increase affiliate income on your blog. And what do I mean by affiliate income? Affiliate income is basically money that you make by promoting other people's products and services. And every time your audience makes a purchase using those affiliate links that you have promoted, then the owner of that product or service will pay you a commission. Okay, so the number one quick tip to increase affiliate income on your blog is by focusing on high paying affiliate programs. So remember, the only way you will make money using affiliate marketing on your blog is by getting traffic on your blog, by getting people to visit your blog. And it takes the same amount of effort to bring in traffic, people who are going to buy an item for like $10 and people who are going to pay $10,000 for a product. So if you want to quickly make money using affiliate marketing on your blog, you want to focus on those high paying affiliate programs. So for example, a program such as bluehost.com, which is the #1 website hosting platform on the planet, is the one that I use to host my website, evamtali.com, will pay you between $65 and $130 for every single person that that uses your affiliate link to purchase web hosting. So for example, just by, let's say if you sent 10 people to your website and they used your affiliate link, then you very easily just make like $1,000 if you are on that band. So you want to focus on high paying affiliate programs to quickly make money with affiliate links on your website. The number 2 quick tip to increase affiliate income on your blog is by focusing on recurring affiliate programs. And what I mean by recurring affiliate programs is whereby you're not only paid the first time somebody makes a purchase using affiliate link, but you continue making money as long as that person continues to use that product or service that they bought using your affiliate link. And fortunately, there are a lot of legitimate recurring commission affiliate programs, and make sure to check my next video where I'm going to share with you the most legitimate recurring affiliate programs. So the number 3 quick tip to increase affiliate income on your blog is by focusing on 2-tier affiliate programs. So basically, what do I mean by 2-tier affiliate programs? These are programs that allow you to make money by referring people to buy these specific products and services, and also at the same time by referring other affiliate marketers. So take Airbnb for instance. Airbnb will pay you some money to refer people to host their houses or their properties on Airbnb. They will also pay you to refer people to use Airbnb for their accommodation needs. And thirdly, they will pay you to refer other people to host their experiences on Airbnb. So just that multi-tier affiliate program is an opportunity to make money in 3 different ways. So that's one other tip that you can use to increase affiliate marketing income on your blog. The number 4 strategy or tip to increase affiliate marketing income on your blog is by focusing on conversion oriented traffic. Remember, as I already mentioned at the very beginning, The only way you're going to make money through affiliate marketing on your blog is by having traffic on your blog, by having people visiting your blog. But you just don't want, I don't know, thousands of people visiting your blog and not having an intent to purchase. So you want to focus on traffic that has an intent to purchase, and that's how you're going to make money. And that means even the kind of content that you create content that is geared towards people who want to buy. So for example, if I created a blog post about the best laptops for 2020, that kind of blog post is more likely to bring me traffic from people who have an intent to purchase a laptop. Unlike, for instance, if I just wrote a blog post about my experience with the latest Lenovo laptop, it could just be somebody random who was just bored on the internet and they're like, oops, let me just read about this Lenovo. So you really have to be also careful on the kind of content that you post on your blog, because it's going to determine the kind of traffic that you attract on your blog. So the number 5 tip on how to quickly increase affiliate marketing income on your blog is by using more marketing channels in addition to your blog. So for example, I have published my content, I have put my affiliate links. I should not just focus on putting my affiliate links on my blog. For example, if you have a YouTube channel like I do, drop in those affiliate links in the description box of your YouTube channel. Take advantage of your Facebook, both your individual Facebook account as well as your blog Facebook page. Sprinkle affiliate links here and there. If you're on Instagram, put the affiliate links either on your bio page or in the caption of your different pictures. Take advantage of Pinterest. Like, use multiple channels to promote your affiliate links. Well, that's it for today in terms of 5 quick tips that you can use to increase affiliate income onto your blog. Let me know what you think about these tips. Which one are you excited to start using today? As usual, the conversations continue in the comments below. And until next time, thank you for staying up to the very end. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.